What's going on, guys? Eric742 with Eric's RC channel. The connector I ordered, the 6-pin PF13, it came in. Actually, it came in a little case of 3 of them, and it does match up to the board. So there's right here's where the 6 pins were, where the 5-pin was connected, and that was wrong. And the 6-pin will go right on there. They should all line up. See from the back side. Yep, they all line up. So, all right. Let's see if it fits the connector for the power module. Yep, perfect. Okay, so the next video I'm going to be doing is probably just soldering this to the board, and that'll probably be it. And then I'll have the that 5-pin connector issue fixed. So that's perfect. That's great. I got these. They're called they are called PF13 connectors, and there's multiple variations of how the pins come out and number of pins. This is just a 6-pin, and it seems to work. It seems like it's going to work perfectly for this board. Alright guys, take care, and I'll see you around.